Hello and welcome to another EVAREST video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to use the EVAREST Anonymisation software to anonymise your stress echo scans for the EVAREST study. So the first thing to do is to open up the program, and you should have created a shortcut as mentioned in the software download video. The first thing to do here is to choose your save folder. Now I've created a test folder here. So anonymise tests, I want to save them in there, in the demo anonymise images folder. So select that. Then open up the stress echo images that you want to be anonymised. So once again I've already set up an example, so test images. So you can select any one of these files and open them up. If there were any patient identifiers on this image, you can drag and drop to create a black box over these. However, there aren't any on this image, so we'll undo that. And then it's as simple as selecting the Save All button here. As you can see, there's a progress bar at the top, and now we see that it's saved these 9 images to our folder destination as requested, and they're completely anonymized. They're then ready to be uploaded to FILR system to bring them back to the team in Oxford, and there's another video showing you how to do that. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.